Hello, Seahawks. Here is your quick LinkedIn crash course for 2023. What is LinkedIn? It's social media based on professional world of work. So it may not have lots of fun cat pictures and things like that, but it's going to have lots of great information related to work productivity, celebrating work, promotions, new products, all kinds of things like that. Why should you be on here? Well, it's a great way to get recruited for jobs, to recruit others for jobs, to find partners, to find mentors, starting business partnerships, etc. If I click into my profile, you're going to see that this is way more robust than other social media profiles. It's essentially your online resume and portfolio all in one place. So recommend getting a nice professional looking photo, a professional looking background photo related to your interest or industry. Another example here, Taylor Fleming, also here on our team, works at St. Mary's College of Maryland. Great photo. Pick something that makes sense for your industry and look at others for models. Put in your name. You can add your pronouns. You can add pronunciation of your name. You can add a headline to make it something very clear and concise, like Career Connector instead of my full long title. About section should be, who are you? Why are you on LinkedIn? Why should people be interested in connecting with you? Featured is optional, but you can add posts and articles and things that you've posted. Activity is important, that people can see that you've been on, you've been active, even if that's just commenting or resharing posts. The experience section is essentially the same as your resume. Copy and paste everything over from your resume, all the same bullet points, etc. But the great thing is here you have more room. So whereas your resume, typically you want to be concise, you can add more bullet points, more detail here. Plus you can add media. So for example, instead of just saying, hey, I do artwork and photography, I can put examples of that. Taylor has done some awesome work, not only on our team here with employers and internships. So she's got photos of that, but she also has done some work previously that was even published. So pictures of her at work, and then actual links to publications. So this is a really great way to get that work highlighted. Scrolling on down, we have our education section, very similar. Copy and paste that over from your resume. You can add artifacts, and it doesn't have to only be things you've created, but if you've got awards and things like that, you can add those on as well. Licenses and certifications, something great to have. Skills, definitely a good one to have. You can click the plus here, or when you add a new experience, you can add the skills in there. Either way, make sure that you click on this pencil and reorder them to have the things that you want on top. So if I click reorder, the top three, that's what's going to show up if people don't click in to see more. Moving on down, we have recommendations. Highly recommend giving recommendations and asking for recommendations from people that you know in real life who can vouch for how awesome you are. You could even copy and paste these into subsequent job applications. Courses, nice to have. Honors and awards, languages, organizations, those are all nice to have. Your interest is really only for you. This will influence your feed. Edit your public profile and URL, because otherwise LinkedIn's going to assign you a random your name plus alphanumeric characters. This will make it easy to list on your business cards, resume, etc., and still have something that people can easily type in. That is your LinkedIn profile in a nutshell. Let's look at one more super awesome tool, which is the alumni tool. If you type in St. Mary's College of Maryland, I would definitely recommend that you follow so you can stay up on the latest. When we view the page, you can see posts, you can see jobs. Click the alumni tab and you already have a network of 12,000 plus and growing. If you are looking for a mentor, a mentee, someone to hire, any kind of connection, you can type it in right here. So for example, if I say finance, I can narrow by year. Let's say I'm looking for a mentor. I could put in 2015. I can see the top 5 where they work or where they live, or just scroll down here and see who comes up. So if, for example, I said, yeah, this alum looks interesting to connect with, and maybe this one too. Instead of clicking connect here, I definitely recommend that you click into their profile first, read a bit about them, see how active they are, what type of work they're doing. If this is someone that you think would be interested in connecting with, from here, you get the pop-up that asks you, do you want to add a note? Now you can add context and say, hey, fellow Seahawk, rather than just clicking connect and it's gone, which on mobile it will do. You have no opportunity to add that context in there. So that is your quick crash course in LinkedIn. If you have more questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the Center for Career and Professional Development.